In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing SpyderWash on a Maytag small cabinet washer. Begin by securing the EMV card reader to the provided mounting plate using two M4 security screws from the included hardware packet. To align with the front panel of the machine, the mounting plate must be oriented so that the holes are on the right-hand side of the card reader. Avoid using impact drivers to prevent over-tightening the screws. With the card reader prepped for mounting, we can turn our attention to the machine. Remove the soap tray to expose two concealed screws located on the left-hand side. Remove the screws and set them aside for reassembly. Please note that we have already installed the card reader and you will have a black plate instead. Remove the four remaining screws that secure the front panel in place. Finally, remove the two screws, one on the left side and one on the right side, to open the lid. Set the hardware aside for reassembly. To prevent serious injury or damage to equipment, verify that the washer is powered off. Connect the 6-circuit white plug with yellow, blue, gray, and orange wires to AA3 on the main control board. Disconnect the existing harness from AA6 and connect it to the female end of the SpyderWash power supply harness. Finally, connect the remaining male end of the harness to AA6. Route the harnesses through the opening located at the front of the machine. Connect the barrel plug from the power supply to the control board. Mount the card reader to hold it in position. Then route and connect the harness to the SpyderWash control board. Connect the antenna to the SpyderWash control board. Finally, connect the 5-circuit red plug to J3 on the control board. Remove the jumper from AA1 on the main control board to enter service mode. On the display, you will see the number 6 followed by another number. If the price is set to $2, you will see 608. Use the power wash button to increase the value and the temperature button to decrease it. Use the extra rinse button to cycle through the programming options and adjust pricing as needed. Reconnect the jumper to AA1 to exit service mode. To verify the installation was successful, power on the machine and wait for the SpyderWash card reader to initialize. Once functionality has been verified, power off the machine and close the lid. Reinstall the two screws on the left and right sides to secure the lid in place. Reattach the front panel and mount the SpyderWash EMV card reader. Finally, reinstall the two screws concealed by the soap tray and slide the tray into position. This concludes the installation of SpyderWash. Thank you for watching.